Hey there! Experiencing audio troubles and wondering how to fix the Samsung soundbar volume issue? You're not alone. Samsung soundbars are popular for enhancing home audio systems, but sometimes they encounter frustrating volume problems. Whether it's inconsistent volume levels, the soundbar not responding to the remote, or just not getting loud enough, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll walk you through a few straightforward methods to resolve these issues and help you enjoy a seamless audio experience once again. Step 1. Check the connections. Before diving into complicated fixes, start by checking all the physical connections. Ensure your soundbar is properly connected to your TV or audio system. Look for any loose cables and make sure they are securely plugged in. If you're using an HDMI or optical cable, try unplugging it and plugging it back in. Also, check that the power cord is connected securely and that the soundbar is turned on. Step 2. Adjust the sound settings. Sometimes the volume problem might stem from incorrect settings. Take a few minutes to navigate through your Samsung soundbar menu and check the current sound settings. Ensure that your soundbar is not set to mute and that settings like night mode are turned off, as these can limit volume levels. Additionally, try adjusting the equalizer settings or resetting them to default to see if that resolves the issue. Step 3. Sync the remote and soundbar. If your soundbar isn't responding to remote commands, there might be a syncing issue. Start by replacing the batteries in your remote. If that doesn't work, try repairing the remote with your soundbar. You can do this by holding down the pairing button on both the remote and the soundbar simultaneously, usually for about 5 seconds, until you see a pairing confirmation on the soundbar's display or on your TV screen. Step 4. Update the firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes lead to performance issues, including volume troubles. Check to see if there are any firmware updates for your Samsung soundbar. You can usually do this by visiting Samsung's support website and entering your model number. If an update is available, follow the instructions provided to update the firmware. This can resolve known bugs and improve overall performance. Step 5. Factory reset. If none of the above solutions work, consider performing a factory reset on your Samsung soundbar. A factory reset will restore the soundbar to its original settings, potentially eliminating any software glitches causing volume issues. To perform a reset, consult your soundbar's manual for the specific buttons you need to press. Once reset, you may need to reconfigure your settings or pair the soundbar with your devices again. There you go. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any volume issues with your Samsung soundbar. Don't let audio problems get in the way of enjoying your favorite music, movies, or shows. Whether it's a matter of checking connections, adjusting settings, synchronizing devices, updating firmware, or performing a factory reset, these solutions have got you covered. Remember to regularly maintain your soundbar to prevent future issues, and always ensure your devices are up to date. With these tips, you can now enjoy a flawless audio experience, making the most out of your Samsung soundbar. Happy listening.